Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Reddit updated you today that Fiakin Touare is unlikely to stay next season, with the French League 2 club make inquiries for Fiakin Touare. Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper has gained interest from a French second division club. The Rwanda international has recently seen limited play time and is reportedly eager for the more opportunities to play. Kaizer Chiefs are leading race to sign Yaya Sithole when he returns to his parent club. Personal terms are being discussed. Kaizer Chiefs are aware of more clubs near but want to be fast also as there is a 5 million release clause available in a contract. Good feelings after intentional contacts between Yaya campaign and Kaizer Chiefs explained the project. Kaizer Chiefs want to fight for each and every trophy starting from the next season. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.